I have a quick Adobe Photoshop tip for you today that involves a common use for the elliptical marquee tool. I'm creating a series of food packages, and each package has a different plate of pasta. And I'm placing several plates in the exact same location and wrapping type around the plate. So the next one of the plates I have, pasta plates, is fettuccine alfredo. They're all circle like this. They all need to be sized the same. So what I do is I drag guides in the top and left hand side, and then I just use this selection tool, click and drag to the edge. This saves me time outlining this as a path, etc., and just really works for certain applications. And then what I do is I select, modify the selection area, contract by a pixel. That brings the selection in a little bit to avoid any background ghosting or shadow. And then I drag it from here to my composite. And I'm just going to pick up the name of this. Name my layer. And then I adjust the opacity and size it at a transform scale and size it like my other plates. I think it's about 75. It's about 50. And then position it, just the opacity, and then I'm ready for this particular flavor. So that's it, how to use the elliptical marquee tool in an everyday application. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you for watching.